Welcome back to Day 5 of Speak Like a Native in 7 Days, here on Fluentors. And I'm Dina, your guide on this journey. If you're here today, that means you are consistent. And consistency is the real secret behind native-like fluency. Today, we unlock 3 powerful skills: speaking longer without pausing, the secret to continuous speaking, and thinking directly in English. And we will shadow 20 powerful sentences using today's skills. If you practice seriously today, your sentences won't feel broken anymore. They will feel smooth, natural, and confident. Let's begin. Section 1. Why learners pause and break. Learners usually pause not because their English is bad, but because they search for the next word. They translate inside the brain. They don't have connector words ready. They lack automatic grammar patterns. Today fixes all of that. By the end of today, your brain will begin generating sentences automatically, even when you forget a word. Section 2. Connectors. The secret to continuous speaking. Connectors are simple words that act like bridges. Native speakers use them every few seconds to add ideas, explain opinions, introduce examples, express reasons. With connectors, even simple sentences sound professional and confident. 1. To continuous speaking, you may use adding information like and, also, plus, another thing. Let's shadow sentences using these connectors. Before we start shadowing, here is your instruction. Listen first. Repeat right after me. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. You're doing this to train your mouth and brain to keep moving forward. Shadowing sentence 1 using and. I work in the morning and I study at night. Now repeat with me. I work in the morning and I study at night. Sentence 2 using also. I love reading and I also enjoy writing. Now repeat with me. I love reading and I also enjoy writing. Sentence 3 using plus. The restaurant is affordable, plus the food tastes great. Now repeat with me. The restaurant is affordable, plus the food tastes great. Sentence 4. Using another thing. Another thing, I want to improve my accent this year. Now repeat with me. Another thing, I want to improve my accent this year. Yes, good. Even if you feel slow now, with repetition, you'll sound natural. 2. For giving opinion, you can use the following connectors. I think, I believe, in my opinion. Let's shadow sentences using these connectors. Imagine you're explaining something confidently to someone. Shadow like a speaker who knows what they're saying. Shadowing sentence 1. I think learning every day is the biggest key to success. Now repeat with me. I think learning every day is the biggest key to success. I can almost hear your voice, and it's getting stronger every time you repeat. 3. For giving examples, you can use for example, for instance, like. Let's shadow sentences using these connectors. Don't think too much, just say it. The purpose is to keep the sentence moving forward. Shadowing sentence using, for example, I like watching videos in English. For example, travel vlogs and interviews. Now repeat with me. I like watching videos in English. For example, travel vlogs and interviews. Great! If you're shadowing, you are improving. 4. For showing results, you can use so, therefore, that's why, as a result. Let's shadow 3 sentences using these connectors. Sentence 1, using so, I practiced speaking every day, so my fluency improved quickly. Now repeat with me. I practiced speaking every day, so my fluency improved quickly. Sentence 2, using that's why. I missed the bus. That's why I arrived late. Now repeat with me. I missed the bus. That's why I arrived late. Sentence 3, using as a result. She studied consistently. As a result, she passed the exam easily. Now repeat with me. She studied consistently. As a result, she passed the exam easily. Wow! Your speech is now flowing like a native. Not stiff, not broken. Native speakers forget words too. The difference? They keep talking, using simple explanations. Section 3. Now we will shadow 20 powerful sentences with 20 native connectors for the best results. Fluency is not about knowing difficult words. It's about connecting simple sentences smoothly. Every time you repeat a sentence with connectors, your mouth becomes faster, your brain becomes more automatic, and your English starts sounding naturally native. So today, don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, repeat, feel the rhythm. Your goal is flow, not perfection. 1. Connector. And. Three. Connector. Plus. I enjoyed the movie. Plus, the soundtrack was amazing. Repeat with me. I enjoyed the movie. Plus, the soundtrack was amazing. 4. Connector. Another thing. Another thing I like about this city is the peaceful environment. Repeat with me. Another thing I like about this city is the peaceful environment. 5. Connector. So. I was feeling tired, so I took a short break. Repeat with me. I was feeling tired, so I took a short break. 6. Connector. Therefore. I didn't sleep well last night. Therefore, I'm a little slow today. Repeat with me. I didn't sleep well last night. Therefore, I'm a little slow today. 7. Connector. That's why. It started raining heavily. That's why I stayed home. Repeat with me. It started raining heavily. That's why I stayed home. 8. Connector. As a result. I practiced speaking daily. As a result, my fluency improved. 9. Connector. For example, I enjoy creative activities. For example, drawing and writing. 10. Connector. For instance, I love exploring new skills. For instance, cooking different cuisines. 11. Connector. Like. I like simple hobbies, like reading and listening to music. 12. Connector. I think. I think learning every day is the best way to grow. Repeat with me. I think learning every day is the best way to grow. 13. Connector. I believe. I believe consistency is more important than perfection. Repeat with me. I believe consistency is more important than perfection. 14. Connector. In my opinion. In my opinion, everyone should learn at least one new skill a year. Repeat with me. In my opinion, everyone should learn at least one new skill a year. 15. Connector. Besides. I didn't go out. Besides, the weather wasn't good. Repeat with me. I didn't go out. Besides, the weather wasn't good. 16. Connector. However. I wanted to finish the project. However, I needed more time. Repeat with me. I wanted to finish the project. However, I needed more time. 17. Connector. Even though. I kept studying even though I was really tired. Repeat with me. I kept studying even though I was really tired. 18. Connector. Actually. I wasn't planning to buy anything, but actually, I found a great deal. Repeat with me. I wasn't planning to buy anything, but actually, I found a great deal. 19. Connector. Basically. Basically, I just want a peaceful and simple life. Repeat with me. Basically, I just want a peaceful and simple life. 20. Connector. To be honest. To be honest, I'm trying to improve myself every single day. Repeat with me. To be honest, I'm trying to improve myself every single day. Section 4. Think in English drill. This part trains your brain to create sentences directly in English. 5-second object game. Look around and name 5 objects in English without translating. This is how the brain stops depending on translation and starts forming English automatically. Section 5, 1-minute speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Take 1 minute and speak out loud. You may talk about your day, a hobby, a favorite place, or your daily routine. Use connectors. No translation. Think in English. Take 60 seconds and start right now. You did an incredible job today. Today's lesson helps you speak continuously, think in English, avoid translation, and sound more natural and confident. Stay consistent. Keep practicing. You are improving every single day. This is Dina from Fluentors. See you in day 6.